Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're doing one of our social distancing videos. Our video guru Jim is home safe with his family. So I'm just here and I'm gonna do a little video. I was trying to think of some things that we could expand the repertoires at home so people could do. You're still making all those dinners. So here's one that I like to do, and just thought I'd share it with you. It's a nice simple one, but maybe something a little different than what you're usually doing, so mix it up a little bit. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and again, I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. So, we're going to do a little Dijon chicken. I've got a couple chicken breasts, a little Dijon mustard, some panko breadcrumbs, a little Parmesan, some seasoning, salt and pepper, a little chicken stock, butter, white wine, and any of this you can use or not. So let's just go ahead and get started. I've got some chicken breasts here, so we're just going to take a couple chicken breasts, and whatever chicken breast you like. I've got some nice antibiotic-free chicken breasts, and we're going to do this. I'm going to pound them out a little bit, not so much to get them flat, but just to get them even, and that way they cook nice and even. You don't have a dry spot of them. Now, I find the easiest, cleanest way to do this is get yourself a little Ziploc bag, and again, we're just going to, we're not trying to get it flat, just sort of even. If you don't have a mallet, a little rolling pin works good too. So, anyway, so we're there with that. We've got our chicken breast, and like I said, we're going to do nice and quick and easy. You got a favorite seasoning you like to use? I like a little Montreal chicken on this one, so I'm just going to do a little sprinkle of some Montreal and a little salt and pepper. And of course, we got to put both sides of that. And then we're just going to saute this up in a pan. We're going to sear it off a little bit. And going to sear one side and then crust it up and pop it in the oven. Preheat your oven to about 350 convection, maybe 375 on a conventional oven. And let's just go ahead and get started. All right, we've got our chicken. And we've gone ahead and I've just seared it off on the one side. But see how we got a nice, beautiful color there? So we're going to take that, and then we're going to take a little bit of Dijon mustard. Just put like a little spoon on each one. And then smooth it on over. We do a little panko. And a little Parmesan. You want some Asiago or some Pecorino or whatever's making you happy, or whatever you have on hand, really. And then, if you've got a little white wine, go ahead and add just a little splash of that. Maybe a little chicken stock. And this is going to be sort of the sauce that goes on top of it. Maybe a knob or two of butter. And then this is going to go in that 350 convection for about 10-12 minutes. So let's pop it in. All right, that's been in there. Let's check this. And really what we're looking for, we want this to be about 165 degrees when it's coming out. So we can take our there, pop that in, 167. Look at that, beautiful. Yes, man, those ready to go. And then if you can see in there too, that stock and butter and wine is going to form a beautiful little sauce to go with that. So, go ahead and serve that. Make that any way you like. This is just one suggestion. I do it with a little sauce. And you've got a nice, fresh, easy dinner. And look at that. A little Dijon Parmesan chicken. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Stay safe. Be healthy, social distance. We're all going to get through this. Thank you.